welcome to the Thoughtworks quarterly technology briefing. Today's topic is mobile more than just an app. Competitive advantage will not be gained by providing your users with a sharp mobile app, but rather by every decision maker in your organisation understanding the needs and habits of mobile users. This morning we'll be joined by my fellow Thoughtworkers, Johnny Schneider and Stuart Gladau, for their thoughts on this space.
What we think is the most important thing is not so much the technology itself, but the actual behaviours and the social interaction that enables.
In the past, we would have used the computer to use the internet, where today we'll do that wherever we are, wherever we're at, with whatever device we have. It's not the gadgets that change the world, but how we humans use them.
The app is just the tip of the iceberg. This is an analogy that we really like. The app is the bit you see, it's really important, but there's a whole lot else going on as well. The app is that bit above the water, the bit that the customer sees, the bit that they'll judge you on, and it's really important to get that right. I want to narrow it down to the major two trade-offs between the approaches, which is optimising for user experience or optimising for platform coverage.
Multiple devices all operating on the same content object. So we need to start thinking about things like seamless experiences. How are we going to connect all of this content across these different devices in a way that makes sense?
I feel like there's too much debate around reuse across all the different mobile platforms and not enough debate around what all that logic is doing in your app in the first place. And maybe we can actually orchestrate the back-end systems to make our apps really simple and really small. There's so much uncertainty in the mobile space. Things are changing so quickly. We really don't know what the future's going to be. There's no point in making massive 2-year plans and implementing these huge ideas and then at the end turning around and saying, oh, it's completely changed. We really need to be looking at what's the next most important thing. Let's build that. Let's try and get feedback. Let's measure what we're doing so we can build great mobile experiences.
We talk about the gadgets and the technology not in themselves changing the way that we behave, but the customer behaviour itself and how technology can support that behaviour.
It's really important that we start to break these large monolithic systems that we only deploy once a year into smaller, faster moving components. We really do need that ability to respond to change more quickly than we can at the moment.
We're always looking to disrupt our space. For us, new technology is key to that disruption. So events like this help us understand what's coming up, to come to one of these presentations and understand exactly what the industry's seeing so we can leverage that ourselves and build upon that.